All right, let's do a quick little unboxing of the Viltrox DC-X2 photographic monitor with the rig kit here. Got this as a little Black Friday special. I think it was $190 or so for just the unit, and then $215 with the rig kit. So we're going to take a look here. Yep, gotta cut these off. Without slicing my finger. All right. Put the knife down and shake it out here. There we go. All right. Comes in this really awesome little case here, it looks like, which I like. Let's see what all it comes with here. All right. What's this? This looks like, oh, mounting option, the VL550. Here's the battery it comes with the USB-C. That's going to come in handy. And here's the monitor. It's in there tight. I like that. Ooh, and it comes already with the cage already installed. This thing is awesome. I'm excited. Also comes with the pop-out hood. Ooh, you cannot beat that for $215, folks. Auxiliary tools. Let's see what's on the top here. Looks like we got some cables, random cables, a little Allen wrench, HDMI, USB-C, HDMI. Nice. Got all the cables too. Let's get this thing launched and use it.